jump, let's press that button, baby. 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 Press that button, baby.
The fuck? Fuck is this? I'm looking around. This place looks new. I'm sure I've been here before. Dazed. You know what? I woke on a launch pad, no map, no pass, just consciousness zipped in a skin-colored body bag. A memory wrapped with a cosmic rag. Still I can feel the stitches tagged from the past I had. Galactic lost the child, dropped in a wild language, broke my mouth. First word was a silent smile. They told me to blend, I studied the script, but the pages dissolved where my eyelids flipped. Third eye slit, let the light unzip.